Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to purchase and activate Freedom Mobile eSIM in 2025 step by step. Whether you are switching from a physical SIM or just want a fast digital setup, this tutorial covers everything you need to know. Let's jump right in. First of all, we have to know this: what is an eSIM? An eSIM is a digital SIM that lets you activate a mobile plan without using a physical SIM card. With Freedom Mobiles, you can set it up in a minute. Great for travelers, dual SIM users, or any upgrading their devices. So, before buying, make sure your phone support eSIMs, and compatible phones includes iPhone X or newer, Google Pixel 4 and above, and Samsung Galaxy S20 series and newer. To comfort, go to your phone settings and search for eSIMs or SIM manager. So you have two options. Option one is online, most convenient. So first you have to go to this freedommobile.com, see and choose your plan. Here you can see this, you can see on my screen, and here you can see. Then during checkout, select eSIM instead of a physical eSIM and enter your phone details and complete the purchase. You will receive an email with your QR code and eSIM activation instruction. So the next in is your store, where you can see ask for an eSIM with this plan you want. They will help you scan and activate it on the spot. Make sure to bring a valid ID and your unlocked phone. If you once you have received your eSIM QR code either by email or in store, for iPhone activation, go to settings, cellular, and add eSIM. Tap use QR code, scan the Freedom Mobile QR code. Wait for the profile to download and activation. And the Android, for go to the settings, network and internet, then SIMs. Tap to add eSIMs or download SIMs and scan the QR code or enter activation info manually. Follow the on-screen instruction. It usually activates within 2 to 5 minutes. And the set preferred SIM options, go to SIM settings, and here you can see this. Here you can see a SIM activation, and here you can see this, the let's get your SIM activation. Here you can add your number and freedom of phone, then active services, click the, and here you can see this. You can see the instruction of this: view terms and conditions, monthly payment requirement, and unlimited plans, data policy. All informations are given there, and hope you are enjoying this video and it's helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channels.